Greetings. In this video, we will explore how we can import data from traditional project management software tools like Primavera, Microsoft Project, or Asta Project. So, first of all, you have to activate the timeliner window. So, going to the Home uh, tab and clicking on Timeliner. Now within Timeliner, you can see there is an option for importing the data from different sources. So clicking on Data Sources tab, and you can see you can import data from a comma separated format, or Microsoft Project, or Microsoft Exchange Server files, or Primavera files. So in this case, we are importing a file developed in Microsoft Project. Right, so I click on Microsoft Project, and then I can choose the file that I would like to import. In this particular case, that's the Microsoft schedule that was developed separately by the scheduling team. So these are different fields within the project file. So the first job to do is to map it to the external field name. So here there are different columns within Microsoft Project, starting with the planned start date. So the planned start date would equate to the start time within Microsoft Project file. The planned end date would mean the actual finish date, and the actual start date would correspond to the actual start within Microsoft Project as well, and the actual end date within Navisworks would roughly correspond to the actual end date. So let's find out. So we have got actual start here, and the actual start would correspond to the actual finish. Once you have done that, the columns from Microsoft Project would be mapped to the columns within Navisworks, and the only thing that remains to be done is doing the right click and rebuilding the task hierarchy. And once you have done that, the system would launch Microsoft Project. It would read from there, and it would transfer the tasks from Microsoft Project into Primavera. So this is how we import tasks from Microsoft Project to Navisworks.